Musukаев losing in the quarter-final match yesterday to his Japan counterpart. Aoyagi in that one. Akmatalia also losing to the same opponent just now. Trying to work his way back into this bronze medal match later tonight. He's got the body lock over the top. Musukаев doing a good job, goes down on the knee towards the edge, just goes down as a grounded opponent.
О мобильдик операторын тандайсың ба? Супер! Переходи на О комбо тарифтерінің линейкасы менен андан дагы мыкты болот. Сага гана маанилисин кор. Акысыз комбо опцияларды туташтыр. Гигабайттарды 2 есе көбөйтүү оңой эле. Wi-Fi таратуу албетте. Яндекс Плюска акысыз жазылуу, тасмалар, музыка, китептер, жана таксиге арзандатуулар. Же ар кандай табитке ылайыктуу онлайн кинотеатрлар. Баары акысыз, баары мой о тиркемесинде, баары сен каалагандай.
Really nice work on the 2-on-1 there. Come and snakes the arm down, drags it and goes behind. Good shot from Musukаев straight off. He's going to try and bring it up, posture up on the inside, goes for that left leg inside hook. Really slick work. Now takes the elbow and tries and rolls through for the 2. Doesn't quite get it. Very nice exchange between these two wrestlers here. Musukаев with that left hand still wrapped around over the elbow. And a beautiful chest wrap there, takes him straight over for 2, and he's got him on his back almost. Great transition from both wrestlers.
Fingers, open fingers now.
Musukаев with the left side underhook, working towards the edge. Now got double underhooks under. Needs to be careful for the throw on the edge. Slip throw attempt almost there. 2 points has been given as the referee doesn't see it as a slip throw. Akmatalia trailing on points now. Musukаев with the 2-2 lead, scoring the last point. As you can see on his name in the top left near Hungary, the box from his is highlighted as he does have the lead. Akmatalia again with this really nice arm lock, should I say. It's a little bit of an opposite 2-on-1 position, goes for the right side underhook instead. Akmatalia really a guy who wrestles very much so with a Greco-Roman style. Loves the up ties, loves the body locks and the underhooks and the throw bars. A little bit like Jubatuuchu. Will be in the final later tonight. Same thing, that over-under position, really dangerous from there. Time over that first round, 2-2. Musukаев with the lead, scoring that last. Passes back to the center, shake of hands. Nice outside single attempt. There goes for the body lock, does Musukаев, but almost gets taken over on the throw. What are they going to give? They're going to give one to Akmatalia. Musukаев looks to his corner, says, let's challenge, but...
Challenge or not? Challenge? Center. Come on. He's pressing. He's pressing.
And a great little scramble there. I mean...
1 point right. Confirmed. Challenge lost. Let's go.
Challenge lost. So the lead goes up to 4-2 from Akmataliev from Kyrgyzstan. And Mustakayev really working now. Gets it on the leg, really nice. 2 points on the board. Really impressive stuff from the Hungarian. Makes a beautiful switch. Drops onto that single leg and really sits him down. As you can see here, gets it on the single. Follows it, follows it, follows it. Rolls back for the two, gets the back exposure. Really creative stuff. Not something you see too often. Again, Mustakayev moving with intention. Akmataliev comes up with the single. Mustakayev jumps out. Little game of cat and mouse. And a nice head pinch there from Akmataliev. Will get the two. Going to try and chase around back, and that's what you can't afford to relax there in that front headlock position. Goes for the gut wrench, gets it as well on the other side. Dangerous position here for Mustakayev. Gets rolled again for another two. Just like that, 10-4, another two on top, 12-4. Mustakayev needs to be careful here, because if he gets turned one more time, that's going to be it. And that will be it. Akmataliev of Kyrgyzstan rolls his way through the repechage. And it all originated from that front headlock position where Mustakayev was too relaxed, taking his time too much.